Hello, friends. Good evening. How are you guys? I hope you must be taking good care of yourself. Okay, so the one of the important topics of limiting beliefs we would discuss today is that most people think that happiness can be earned or I deserve for the happiness. Is it so? I don't think that you can earn the happiness or you are deserving for the happiness. See, that happiness is a feeling which basically comes from your thoughts. So neither you can deserve for this, nor you can demand for this, or nor you can earn for this. Happiness is the state of mind, and this state of mind is the one which makes you be happy or unhappy. Now, how the state of mind is maintained, it comes from your thoughts, and thoughts leads to your feelings, emotions, and these emotions finally leads to your actions, and actions leads to your outcomes, and outcome leads to your results, and results again leads to your thoughts, and this cycle continues. And once this cycle continues, that is the time your whether you feel happy or unhappy depends upon that what kind of thoughts you are carrying. So one of the important thought which you can have to be happy is the one that you are needed or you are wanted by someone. Means you are helpful to someone or you are required for someone to help him, and that is the biggest feeling of happiness one can get. If you can get this kind of feeling that you are needed or you are required to help someone, let me tell you, there will be no such kind of incidents of suicides or other thing. The guys or the man or woman, once they start feeling that they are not wanted, they are not needed, they are not understood in this world, that is the way the problem starts. So the important thing is that you should have a feeling of that you are needed, you are wanted, and you are required in this by your family, by your friends, or by your colleagues, and then there won't be any issue of such kind of thing of unhappiness. Now the point is, the problem comes when the people start looking forward to the happiness. They connect conditional happiness. What is the conditional happiness? They look towards the future. They will think that yes, when I get the job I will be happy, or when my child get through the graduation I will be happy, or when I get my new house I will be happy. Many things. You are always looking forward to the future. You are just forgetting the present and you are looking forward to the future. And that future never comes, because the reason is that you have today some problem that is solved. That problem is again replaced by another problem. And the life is the series of problems that will continue. So you never enjoy. So happiness comes only in the present. If you are in the present and enjoy that moment, then only the happiness will be there. And I mentioned to you that happiness is the feeling, is the thought which you should have. It is a mental attitude, mental aptitude. It's a mental state of mind which brings you happy or unhappy. It is not related with any kind of materialistic thing. Either you are happy or you are unhappy. You cannot be conditional that I am happy or not happy because of this. No. Your state of mind, you are happy or you are not happy. Okay. So don't depend or don't combine your happiness or join your happiness with some future event. Whatever is in the present, be happy about that. Be grateful about that. And enjoy the present. You will always remain happy. I am sure you will not find unhappiness in anywhere. Okay. So never worry about the future. keep doing your job, but enjoy the present. That is more important. Thank you very much for watching and look forward to your comments. Thank you so much.